Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things home and outdoor. Today, we're going to talk about the best string light posts for outside that will completely transform your backyard, patio, or garden. If you're someone who loves to spend time outdoors, you know that the right lighting can elevate any space. And these 10 FT string light poles by AILBTON are the perfect addition to your outdoor setup. Let's dive in. These poles are crafted from high-quality, durable metal, ensuring they won't bend or wobble under the weight of your lights. What's even more impressive is that they are designed without any height limitations. You can hang them from high fences, walls, or even use them in your garden, which means you can have more than just a couple of string lights. You can go all out with multiple strings, lanterns, or even wind chimes. The pole's excellent load-bearing properties make them versatile for various decorations. One of the most appealing features of these light poles is their efficiency. Unlike traditional lights that may take up valuable floor space, these poles are mounted on walls, fences, or even in corners, making them space-saving while still creating the perfect lighting ambiance. And because the poles are designed to be compact, you won't have to worry about the hassle of installation or storage. They can be quickly set up and taken down whenever you need. Installation is incredibly easy. The poles require no additional assembly or bases, which makes them super convenient to use. Once you find a spot that has enough support, you simply fix the bottom, and you're good to go. This feature means you don't need any extra help or special skills to install them. It's perfect for anyone looking for a straightforward lighting solution. These poles are incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of outdoor settings. Whether you're hosting a cozy dinner party in your backyard, enjoying a cup of coffee on your deck, or planning a special event like a wedding or birthday, these poles will not only provide the necessary lighting but will also add a touch of charm and elegance to the environment. They're perfect for patios, gardens, decks, and even bistros and cafes. And if you love poolside gatherings, these poles are also a great way to illuminate your pool area. On warm summer nights, the soft, warm glow from your string lights creates an inviting atmosphere perfect for relaxation or a lively party. Plus, their weather-resistant construction ensures they can withstand outdoor conditions, from sunny days to rainy nights. The AILBTON 10 FT string light poles come with a durable powder-coated finish that ensures the poles are resistant to rust and wear, meaning they'll keep looking great for years to come. Their sturdy design ensures that the lights stay in place even during windy conditions, providing you with worry-free illumination every time you use them. So, whether you're decorating for a special event or just looking to add some ambiance to your outdoor living space, these string light poles are a fantastic choice. With their robust design, easy installation, and versatile use, they're a must-have for anyone who loves to enjoy their backyard, patio, or garden in style. If you're interested in purchasing the best string light posts for outside, look no further than the AILBTON 10 FT string light poles. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews to make your home and outdoor spaces the best they can be.